My final thought on this hair is, do I think it's worth the coins? Do I not? Do I think it's worth the coins? 100%. It has been 4 months since I initially reviewed this unit and I absolutely loved it. And you guys wanted to know how the unit is holding up today. And in today's video, we're going to be installing it and I'm going to be answering some of the questions that you guys had in terms of shipping, customs, and the quality after 4 months. So stay tuned. So I store my units in these silk bags that come inside the packaging, and the last time that I wore it, I just washed it. I just shampooed it, right, and just put it back in the bag. That's why it looks like that. I can explain. I can explain. That's what it's giving after 4 months. It's no longer that straight wig that you guys have seen. After one wash, the straightener just disappears. So basically what I'm doing right now, you guys saw that after a couple of washes it kind of just gets more orangey, brassy tones vibe. So here I'm just going in with a purple shampoo, hot water, and a conditioner to just tone all of that out. I just wanted that orange and that brassiness out of the wig. That's why I'm doing it, because after you wash it a couple of times it just keeps getting more brassier. So that's what I'm doing. And the reason why I added a conditioner with that purple shampoo was because I washed it before, right? So there's no dirt on it. So I wanted to condition and I wanted to tone at the same time because laziness. I wasn't about to tone and then about to condition again. So I was just like, do it at the same time. And then I just put a plastic bag on top and I left it in there for a couple of hours. I would say 5, and that's what it was giving. So now let's install. You guys see it's no longer that orangey seediness color that it had going on. It's this beautiful color. Absolutely obsessed. I should have done this from the beginning, but that's okay, right? That's okay. So let's install it. First things first, I just want to see my hairline, okay? Because right now you cannot see it. It's like, where is it? What is that? You know, what is this thing going on? So I'm just going in with my wax stick and then my hot comb to just kind of figure out what is going on, to also get the hair out of the way, so when I put glue on it my hair doesn't get stuck to my scalp. Basically, yeah, that's what we're doing. Now, when it comes to installing my wig, I do it in 3 sections. Pretty simple. I first go in with the ghost bond and just spread it out before I even dry it. Like this combo, I just recently discovered it, okay, and I just think it's bomb. It would leave your wig on your head stuck for days, weeks, okay. I go in with the ghost bond and then I go in with the glimmer spray right on top, and this also just helps with making sure that your glue dries quicker. And once that is done, I go in and lay it down. That's basically my combo, and I'll do the same for all my 3 sections. It just works so much better for me. But I realized I didn't even greet y'all. Like, I didn't even greet you guys. How are you? Thank you so much for coming to my channel or coming back. If you are new here, please do kindly do me the favor and hit that subscription button, okay? Road to 2K, you know. just hit the subscription button as well as the notification bell so you never miss another awesome video from me. Also, thumbs up this video if you're enjoying it so far. I know I'm just speaking so fast, only because I'm realizing that my clips are really quite short, so I have to go in to the next clip and explain what's happening. That kind of gets boring. If you are a beginner, I hope that you are kind of keeping up. If not, do let me know. I will do an in-depth detailed beginner hair install video, I believe. Yeah. So yeah, after I lay it down, I'll go in again on top for that extra melt and spray my spray again. That's basically my method. Yeah, I'm doing this voiceover, I believe 2 weeks, and I kept this hair on my head for about a week, and then I was just tired and done with it. But yeah, about the hair, it's been 4 months, guys. There's nothing horrible besides the color fading away and it turning more orangier than usual. There's absolutely nothing wrong that I find with this unit. The shedding is very minimal. Like, it's shocking to me how little this wig is shedding. It's still very much so shocking. For an AliExpress wig, I get shocked. Okay, it is shocking for me that even the lace, guys, even the hair on the lace, I complained initially on the review that the knots are quite big, but they don't shed. Okay, they might be big, but one good thing about it is they're on there, they stuck. Okay, they made sure that there's no shedding on this unit, and for that I truly appreciate that. Some of the concerns that you guys had, you guys wanted to see how this wig is now, and I agree. I think part of the reason why I don't do reviews that much on my channel anymore is because I've realized that I've made reviews and I raved about a unit and I said, oh my god, I love it so much, and then after a couple of weeks I'm like, nah, actually, like, this ain't in, and I can't go in and delete it because that's a paid content. So it's like, oh my god, I appreciate reviews where it's not sponsored because I can go in and just delete it if I don't like it, because I don't want to keep recommending something that doesn't work. Yeah, so yeah, this video is not sponsored, by the way, so this is just a true unbiased opinion. Okay, take it like that. Like, the color turned out so good, the color turned out so great. So I am in South Africa and this unit took 2 weeks to come. I did not pay any customs. Those are some of the questions that you guys had, concerns that you guys had, but that's just it. You never know with AliExpress what's gonna happen. Yeah, what else do you guys have? I needed to just look at the comment section again, but if I missed any question, please leave a comment in this comment section. If you have not seen the review of the wig, please do go and check it out, okay, before you come back here. Just go check out that hair and then come back to this one to just kind of see how it is holding up. But honestly, I'm glad I got this wig. Honestly, like, it's been great. Okay, so right now what I'm doing is talking your ear off. Sorry, I apologize, but yeah, what I'm doing right now is going in and straighten the wig. That's one of the things I don't like about the wig, because it came really straight, but it's not straight, it's like a body wave texture. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten it right now.
It's so quiet, but I hear you.
Before I even finished straightening, before I even got to the other side, I knew at this point that I don't like this length, that I was gonna cut it. Like, there's nothing wrong with the length of the wig. It's just, I have this thing now where I just love a certain length and I'm just obsessed with it. So I went in. I'm going sneezing. Thank you. Bless me, Lord. I went in sneezing again. I went in and cut the hair and curled it and lost the footage. I apologize, okay? I am really, truly sorry. My memory actually not lost the footage. My memory actually was piled up. It was full, and I thought I was still recording. I realized after curling the other side that actually, like, baby girl, you're not recording. So I cut a couple of inches off, and that's the length that we now working with. And I just wanted some character, and I just felt like with it being straight with this color, it wasn't working because this color demanded some sort of drama a little bit, even if it's just snipping it off and just cutting it. But yeah, that's basically all that I did, and I'm just going in and curling and just having a hard time because I'm used to curling on my mannequin head. If I know that I want to curl, I just curl on my mannequin head. It's much easier for me. Here, I don't even know what we're doing. I'm just praying at this point. I'm like, I hope it turns out good. I don't know what curls are gonna come out. Yeah, you can see the look of frustration on my face. Like, I don't know what curl is gonna come out, but we're just gonna hope for the best. Like, I was struggling, okay? I was struggling, but it's okay. It came together in the end, I believe. I think.
Used to have friends, now I got enemies. Used to keep them close, now they dead to me. Used to have friends, now I got enemies. Enemies, yeah, so sad. Fix it, I would never get this far. Think that we don't see who you are. Laughing to the bank like ha. Fix it, I'm just talking too much blah, blah, blah. So, where did y'all go? When I was shit broke, couldn't even buy smokes. Now your mama needs tickets to my stadium show. She's loving when she hear me on the radio. I know it's hard to swallow your pride. Sorry that you can't get over me. Now you're out my life, I'm so relieved. I used to have friends, now I got enemies. Used to keep them close, now they dead to me. Money tend to show all the tendencies. Enemies, yeah, so sad. Sometimes, every time they let me down. Sometimes, every time they let me down. Used to have friends, now I got enemies. Enemies, yeah, so sad.
Close to my enemy, let's go. I need better energy. When I told you fuck it, you thought I was playing, huh? Yeah, but I made this shit litter.
After curling, I went in with my hairspray on top to get some sort of a hold on it, and I went again with a white tooth comb and just combed some of the curls out, and that is basically it. We were done for the look. Obsessed. Okay, obsessed.
Sugar Bonga.
You can sort of see that my curls were drastically dropping. Like, this hair does not hold a curl at all, which was kind of disappointing because it was gonna come out so good, but the curls dropped. But that's okay, it's still curled. Okay, the look still ate and left no crumbs. That is basically it for today's video. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. Also hit that subscription button, and I will surely catch you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, my loves.